Hi, I'm Gabe Gabrielson. Welcome to my Auburn listing at 39 Willow Court. Enjoy the video.
Welcome home to 39 Willow Court, a better than new home, 7.5 years young, located in a charming, friendly neighborhood, offering you plenty of space to live and relax. Many contemporary and stylish upgrades, plus 3 bedrooms and 2.5 bathrooms. Surrounding this home, you'll find mature and well-maintained landscaping with lots of perennial beds and mature trees all over the property. The spacious deck offers privacy and access to a built-in fire pit you'll enjoy for many months of the year. The lush lawns have been professionally fertilized and include built-in irrigation. A first-level office or workroom features stylish French doors. This airy and spacious open floor plan is filled with light. The front entrance leads to an open-concept great room with vaulted ceilings, an environmentally friendly and convenient gas fireplace, and it's a room perfect for a family or for entertaining. Your guests will enjoy watching the action in the kitchen, or you can keep an eye on the kids while preparing dinner. The inviting and open kitchen includes granite countertops, a tile backsplash, a Bosch dishwasher, and an LG gas range, as well as room for dining in or an adjacent sitting room. Unique to this home is an easily accessible first-level master suite with vaulted ceilings, custom interior shutters, and a spacious bathroom with heated towel racks, a large soaking tub, and a double sink vanity. Wait, there's more. On the first level, there's a laundry room with built-in storage and a custom mudroom with a stylish built-in seating area, coat hooks, and plenty of storage. The formal light-filled dining room adjacent to the kitchen is accented with an elegant tray ceiling. Do you love dogs? If so, this home is ready for your beloved family pet with a built-in dog door leading to a fenced yard. The property also includes a canine company invisible dog fence. The second level features an expansive family room or den. It's a cozy, private room, and it's away from the main areas of the home, and this room includes desirable contemporary features like a sliding barn door, shiplap wainscoting, custom built-in bookshelves, digital fireplace, and the added bonus of a Murphy bed to accommodate overnight guests. This home is located in a fun, family-friendly community with plenty of local flavor and festivities, as well as easy access to Manchester, Derry, Routes 93 and 101, and it's a nature lover's paradise.
If you'd like more information about this property or would like a personal tour, you can reach out to me at 603-379-6887. If you'd like more information about the Seacoast, you can go to my Facebook page, Seacoast Living. I hope you enjoy the tour.